Welcome! In front of me I have Mibro Watch GS Pro and I'm gonna show you how to set an image as a watch face on this watch. Basically, if you want to use your own image or a picture as a watch face. Before we start, if you want to set an image as a watch face on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Mibro Fit application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Mibro Fit application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the app, tap on the device icon, and here you should see your Mibro Watch GS Pro on the device page. Now tap on watch faces, then tap on album dial, and here we can customize our watch face. First, let's add the background. So tap on the plus button and scroll through the list of options, or rather from the list of pictures, to find the picture you want to use as a watch face. And once you find it, tap on it to select it. And before that, you can also use the camera. So if you want to take a picture and use it as a watch face, you can tap on the camera button right here. It will open the camera application and you can take a picture and use it as a watch face. I'm gonna find the photo I want to use, tap on it to select it, and tap right here, tap on apply. And now we need to crop the image. Basically, the whole image won't fit on the watch face, so we need to select the part of it to be on the watch face. And I zoomed in too much. How do I unzoom? Okay, that's how. So basically, I'm gonna make this bigger, like that, to zoom out. You can also move this circle, and whatever is gonna be in this highlighted area is gonna be on your watch face. So I'm gonna position it like this, and then tap on crop. And here we have a preview of our watch face. We have different font styles. We can select different font styles. We can select different position of the clock and also the color of the text. So select the options you like and then tap on set custom dial. It's gonna start installing. And once it's done, the watch face will be applied on your watch, as you can see. And you can close the app. And that's how you set an image as a watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.